Hello guys, today I will show you how to put your voice in your videos and also your face, which is known as face cam. So in my other videos, in my previous videos which I had sent, in that videos there was no face cam of mine or nor you could hear my voice. But now you can hear my voice and also I can do face cam. So today I will show you an app in which you can simply do your face cam and also add your voice in your videos. And it is pretty easy, no money, no cost. You don't need to use a real money, okay? So what you need to do is open Play Store. You need to open your Play Store. So now go to Play Store. In Play Store search Vidma. So now the up app here which you can see here, you need to click on it. Vidma screen recorder with audio and video. So you need to click on this icon. Okay, so this is the app which I'm using to record my videos nowadays. Now, like in my previous videos, I would use this here. I would use this S Capture. I would use S Capture and click on record screen. I would use this one in which you could not see my face nor you could hear my videos. So it is just useless. Please don't use this type of S Capture. Don't use this one. You must use this app, Vidma. This is the app which you need to download. Screen recorder with audio, Vidma video recorder. You need to download this app. This app's icon looks like this here. It is Vidma app. So what you need to do is install it just like you normally do. So I have already installed it. And well, after installing, I'll show you the instructions how to do it. So after installing, here I will be here Vidma. So there will be ad shown to you here. Just skip that ad up. Yes, so just skip that ad up here. So after skipping that ad, you can see here the video. Though here I will show you now the settings how to do it. So this here, this is the recording icon. So if you click on this icon, this type of icon will appear. This type of icon will appear. Okay, so in that icon you can record your video. And for face cam, this is the icon. This is the icon for face cam. Let me show you. If I will click on this icon right now, my face will be shown up. You will see. You can see my face right here. Okay, so this is the face cam icon. By using this, you can turn on your face cam and your face will be shown in your video which you are recording currently. Okay, so this is the face cam icon right here which I showed you. Let me show you again. This is the face cam icon, and this is the recording icon in which you can hear a voice. If you turn off this, then your voice will be not like able to come in the video. In your video, your voice will be not there. But if you click on this icon, then your voice will be there. You can even turn off it or turn on it anytime you like. Okay, and this is the storage icon. So here your storage space will be there, how much storage currently is there. So currently I have 4.4 GB. And well, this is the storage icon where you can see how many videos you have downloaded, and you can also see that how much videos, like one video how much takes megabytes, how much megabyte is one video, how much megabyte is gigabyte, how much gigabyte one video is, how much space does it takes to your video. It shows. This is the storage icon. I will show you how much storage you currently have in your app. Okay, so by using this icon, you can turn on your face cam here. This is the face cam icon. Let me explain you again. This is face cam icon. This is this painting icon. So let me show you here. So if I will turn off this right here, you can't see that icon anymore. But if you click on this painting type of icon will appear. So this is the icon. This is the painting type of icon will appear. If you will click on this icon, you can customize the colors here. You can choose the paint. You can even customize the color by clicking on this button. You can even select the size, thick, small. You can choose the size even so as. This is the painting icon here. You can customize it anytime you like. You can also select your colors. Suppose I have selected here pink. You can see pink, suppose blue, red, yellow, green. So like this you can customize it anytime you like. So this is how you can download this app, and let me tell this app's name again. The app's name is Vidma Recorder. Here you can see Vidma Recorder, and it's completely free. You don't need to purchase it with your real money. It's completely free. The best thing is this, it is completely free and gives you all the settings, everything. So like this, you can download this app and then you can record your videos anytime you like. You can, and by using this Vidma Recorder, you can record your videos. Okay, so this is how you can record your videos anytime you like. This is how you can add your